Hi guys, if you haven't already, watch my video of like a get ready for bed with me. Go watch that. But I got two new squishies today. Figured I'd show them to you. This one is a very rare special squishy. It is a Nickelodeon squishy with Nickelodeon slime in it. It says Nickelodeon right there. And I'm so happy I have this. I've wanted it for so long. And then I got this duck squishy. I'm so happy. I love it. It's so cute and its squish is so good. I love them so much. They're nothing alike. Like this one feels like it would be a Nita. And this one, it isn't like watery. It feels more like slime. I don't really know how to explain it. Because this is like the people from like Nickelodeon, when they get slimed, this is what goes on them. And I have it in a squishy. I'm really happy. But thank you guys for watching. These are my two squishies. Bye guys.